Good morning, everybody. Actually, it's a very tough act to follow, considering the previous speakers, and one of them being very creative and one of them being theoretical. I don't know what I will do. But being the first among the technical speakers, I think it's a privilege because I can reel off a lot of theory and creativity, and probably by the end of the day, you'll probably remember only the first things that you have heard. Let me start off by actually pointing out this. I like the title of the forum, and I'm going to specify two things. One, why is always youth defined as in the demographics, 25 to 15 to 25? I think youth is in the mind, and we should actually focus more on how to reach out to them rather than focus on which activities to do. Let me play this AV from a movie that we all probably liked in the recent times, and probably from an inspirational marketer, best among what I have seen with.
Sir, a machine is anything that reduces human effort, sir.
Will you please elaborate?
सर, हर वो चीज जो इंसान का काम आसान करे या वक्त बचाए वो मशीन है सर. गर्मी लगी, बटन दबाया, हवा चालू, फैन, मशीन है सर. मीलों दूर आप अपने दोस्त के साथ बात कर सकते हैं, टेलीफोन, मशीन है सर. करोड़ों का हिसाब चुटकी में करता है, कैलकुलेटर, मशीन है सर. सर, एक्चुअली हम मशीनों से घिरे हुए हैं सर. पेन की निब से लेके पैंट की जिप तक सब मशीन है सर. एक सेकंड में अप, एक सेकंड में डाउन, अप डाउन, अप डाउन.
Idiot. Anybody else? Yes.
Sir, machines are any combination of bodies so connected that their relative motions.
लेकिन सर, मैंने भी तो वही बताया सर, आसान भाषा में.
आपको अगर सिंपल भाषा पसंद हो तो think about the machine. अरे, तुम वापस क्यों आए हो?
सर, कुछ भूल गया सर.
क्या?
Instruments that record, analyze, summarize, organize, debate and explain information that are illustrative, non-illustrative, hardbound, paperback, jacketed, non-jacketed, with forward introduction, table of contents, index that are intended for the enlightenment, understanding, enrichment, enhancement and education of human brain through sensory route of vision, sometimes touch.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
किताबें सर, बुक्स भूल गया सर, ले लो.
तो सीधा सीधा नहीं कह सकते थे?
थोड़ी देर पहले कोशिश की थी सर, लेकिन आपको सीधा सीधा पसंद नहीं आया.
That's what probably the youth of India today is asking. सीधा सीधा कह नहीं सकते थे क्या? The biggest challenge of marketers today is this whole bit of consumer relationship. I mean, how do we form the relationship with today's youth? With the world getting more complex and classical linear behavioral models getting fading away, it's no more linear thinking. How to reach out to these consumers? What probably they are probably missing out is the youth has probably found out their own simple ways with the advent of technology. Also, who comes first? Should we think the brand first and the consumer later, or should we should the brand custodians think about what positioning we should occupy? How should we advertise, or should we put the consumer first and then make the brand behave and think like the consumer? To me, more than just advertising, I think marketers and brands now need to focus on the big idea. What is the big idea that we are going to occupy? And then probably interconnect or interlink all the activities that we do connected to the big idea. Whether it's the ATL, whether it's the BTL activities, or any other marketing activities that you can link up. Less focus on which activity and more focus on how is our communication going to be used. I mean, Prasad gave good examples of how Virgin, each of those communication later on turns out to be how each of their viewers or each of the consumers are going to use it further. Then this can actually be interwoven together to get into your potential customers and your loyal customers more profitable. And this to me forms the pillars of what I call as relationship media. And in very simple terms, try and see how you can form a relationship rather than just reach out to your consumer. One of the critical pillars on this relationship media is actually talk to individual groups rather than mass demographic audiences. What it helps us is understand the nuances of your customer much better rather than defining ourselves as 15 to 24, 13 to 18 as a group, because each individual customer gives you insights and therefore you can go deeper into the consumer.